Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is cloud crowd. Cloud Cloud crowd is a use us based global IT services and digital solutions company with office in the United States and India assisting enterprises. Level companies in a variety of industry with their operations and growth. Cloud Crunchbase company profile and funding. CloudCrowd is an online workforce platform distributing scheduled tasks or for individuals to make money and achieve recognitions. CloudCrowd is a Brisbane-based company offering modern workspace security and cloud service button solutions. CloudCrowd CloudCrowd is a leading call center agency that provides multi-channel services for clients ranging from F&B to e-commerce websites, HTTP, CloudCrowds to IO. CloudCrowd connects we are dedicated to delivering the world's most trusted and comprehensive CRM platform. Enabling companies is to accelerate their digital transformations. Cloud Crowd tips and info. Beer Money. Cloud Crowd is a Facebook application where you can get paid to anything from minor tasks such as categorizing products or matching text to large scale. Cloud work online. Cloud Crowd is where work get gets done. We bring together companies that need work done with people who want to work and get paid. CloudCrowd LLC company profile. Scan Francisco Cisco CA find company research competitor information contact details and financial data for CloudCrowd LLC of San Francisco CA get the latest business insights. Deal Room CloudCrowd company information funding and investors online workforce platform distributing schedules talks for individual to make money and achieve recognition launch date April 2009. Employee missing show results with details. The CloudCrowds Ltd overview company's house. The CloudCrowd Ltd free company information from company's house including registered office address, filling history, account, annual return offers. And the CloudCrowd Detail app, CloudCrowd Jobs, Click Worker, CloudCrowd Detail Credit, CloudCrowd Tips and Info, Beam Beer Money. CloudCrowd is a Facebook application for where you can get paid to anything from minor tasks such as categorizing product or matching text to large scale. Reddit or work online. Two comments 10 years ago. Question about CloudCrowd or work online. I just wanted to know if I had to use my Facebook to sign up for a CloudCrowd, could I use a fake? Also, I am outside of the US and want Reddit re Rebear Mini 10 CloudCrowd another online working platform. Type of work there are seven work categories: writing, editing, categorization, research data entry, translations, and other. Right after missing show result with detail. Anyone use content freelance writer? I was just recently accepted to crowd content and like it much more than other content mails. The pay is better and once you have claimed a job it's your top answer not crazy about that place. It's okay for occasional work but they more. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.